Welcome to TNC Flow.
Do you want these types of pages, sections, animations, transitions, and sliders on your SaaS and technology website? Wondering how to present your technology and SaaS site attractively? Launch a world-class AI SaaS and developer tool site in minutes. Introducing Toolify Webflow AI SaaS and developer tool website template. Build your website with confidence. Now, let's explore the live preview of Toolify. Now, let's see how to use Toolify.
In this section, I will show you a little bit about how to edit your Webflow template to match your vision. You can change your edit colors, text, link sections, buttons, and more. I will also show you how to edit CMS items so that by the end of this video, you'll have enough ideas to customize this Webflow template to match your own vision. So watch now and explore how to do it.
So, if you want the best AI SaaS and developer tool website template, get Toolify. And if you want to explore more Webflow templates, visit tncflow.com.